Unveiling the Future, AI-Powered Robots Decoded. Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the cutting-edge world of AI-powered robots. From industry to everyday life, these technological marvels are reshaping our future in profound ways. Stay tuned as we unravel the capabilities, challenges, and future possibilities of AI-powered robots. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply curious about the future, this is an exploration you won't want to miss. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Automation and workforce transformation. AI-powered robots are poised to revolutionize industries through automation, transforming the workforce landscape in profound ways. These robots are equipped with advanced machine learning algorithms that enable them to perform tasks traditionally done by humans, but faster, more accurately, and without fatigue. In manufacturing, for example, AI robots can assemble products, handle materials, and operate machinery with precision, enhancing production efficiency and reducing costs. The impact of automation extends beyond manufacturing to sectors such as logistics, agriculture, and healthcare. In logistics, AI robots streamline warehouse operations by sorting, picking, and packing items for shipment. In agriculture, robots equipped with AI sensors and algorithms can monitor crop health, apply pesticides precisely, and harvest crops autonomously. In healthcare, surgical robots assist surgeons during complex procedures, improving surgical outcomes and patient recovery times. While automation promises increased productivity and operational efficiency, it also raises concerns about job displacement and the need for workforce reskilling. As AI-powered robots take on routine and manual tasks, there is a growing emphasis on upskilling workers to perform higher-value roles that require human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Balancing the benefits of automation with the ethical and societal implications remains a critical consideration in shaping a future where AI-powered robots augment human capabilities while fostering economic growth and innovation. Number 2. Personalization and customer interaction. AI-powered robots are reshaping customer interactions by enabling personalized and responsive experiences across various industries. These robots leverage advanced AI algorithms to analyze vast amounts of customer data, preferences, and behaviors in real time, allowing businesses to deliver tailored services and solutions. In retail, AI-powered robots enhance customer service through virtual assistants and chatbots that provide personalized recommendations based on past purchases, browsing history, and demographic information. These robots can handle customer inquiries efficiently, offer 24/7 support, and resolve issues promptly, improving overall customer satisfaction. Moreover, AI robots are transforming the hospitality industry by personalizing guest experiences. Robots equipped with natural language processing capabilities greet guests, provide information about amenities and services, and even deliver room service items autonomously. This level of personalized service enhances guest satisfaction and loyalty while optimizing operational efficiency for hotel staff. In healthcare, AI-powered robots assist patients by providing personalized care plans, medication reminders, and virtual health monitoring. These robots can analyze patient data in real time, alert healthcare providers to potential issues, and improve patient outcomes through proactive intervention and personalized treatment recommendations. As AI technology continues to advance, the ability of robots to understand and respond to human emotions and preferences will further enhance their role in delivering personalized customer experiences. Number 3. AI in decision-making and predictive analytics. AI-powered robots are revolutionizing decision-making processes across industries by leveraging predictive analytics and data-driven insights. These robots use sophisticated algorithms to analyze vast data sets, identify patterns, and make informed decisions faster and more accurately than humans. In finance and investment, AI robots are used for algorithmic trading, portfolio management, and risk assessment. These robots can analyze market trends, historical data, and economic indicators in real time to optimize investment strategies and mitigate financial risks. In manufacturing, AI robots enable predictive maintenance by monitoring equipment performance and identifying potential failures before they occur. This proactive approach minimizes downtime, reduces maintenance costs, and improves overall operational efficiency. In healthcare, AI-powered robots assist clinicians in diagnosis and treatment planning by analyzing medical images, patient records, and clinical data. These robots can identify anomalies, recommend personalized treatment options, and predict patient outcomes based on historical data and medical research. Moreover, AI robots are transforming supply chain management by optimizing inventory levels, forecasting demand, and streamlining logistics operations. These robots enhance supply chain efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure timely delivery of goods and services to customers. As AI technology continues to evolve, the integration of robots in decision-making processes will become more sophisticated, enabling organizations to make data-driven decisions with greater precision and agility. Number 4. Enhanced safety and risk management. AI-powered robots are significantly enhancing safety measures and risk management protocols across various industries, leveraging advanced technologies to mitigate potential hazards and ensure workplace safety. In industries such as manufacturing and construction, AI robots are equipped with sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to detect safety risks in real time. These robots can monitor environments for hazards like gas leaks, faulty equipment, or structural weaknesses, allowing for immediate intervention and prevention of accidents. Moreover, AI robots enhance safety in hazardous environments by replacing humans in dangerous tasks. For example, robots equipped with AI can perform inspections in nuclear facilities, mines, or oil rigs, where human exposure to hazardous conditions is minimized. In healthcare settings, AI-powered robots assist in patient care by reducing the risk of human error in medical procedures. Surgical robots, for instance, enhance precision during surgeries, minimizing complications and improving patient outcomes. Furthermore, AI robots contribute to disaster response and emergency management efforts. They can analyze real-time data from sensors, drones, and satellites to assess the impact of natural disasters, predict their trajectory, and coordinate rescue operations effectively. As AI technology advances, the role of robots in enhancing safety and risk management will continue to expand, making workplaces safer, reducing human exposure to risks, and improving overall operational resilience across industries. Number 5. Environmental monitoring and sustainability. AI-powered robots are playing a crucial role in environmental monitoring and sustainability efforts, leveraging advanced technologies to analyze environmental data, manage resources efficiently, and mitigate environmental impacts. In environmental monitoring, AI robots equipped with sensors and remote sensing technologies can collect and analyze data on air quality, water quality, biodiversity, and climate change indicators. These robots provide real-time insights into environmental conditions, enabling early detection of pollution, deforestation, or habitat degradation. Moreover, AI robots contribute to sustainable agriculture practices by optimizing irrigation schedules, monitoring crop health, and reducing pesticide use through precision farming techniques. This not only conserves resources, but also enhances crop yields and improves soil health. In marine conservation, AI-powered robots monitor and protect marine ecosystems by tracking marine life, detecting illegal fishing activities, and assessing coral reef health. These robots facilitate marine research and conservation efforts, contributing to the preservation of biodiversity and marine habitats. Furthermore, AI robots are employed in waste management and recycling initiatives. They can sort and segregate recyclable materials more efficiently than traditional methods, reducing landfill waste and promoting circular economy practices. As AI technology continues to advance, the integration of robots in environmental monitoring and sustainability efforts will be instrumental in addressing global challenges such as climate change, resource scarcity, and environmental degradation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of AI-powered robots. We've seen how these technologies are set to revolutionize industries and enhance our daily lives in ways we once thought were only possible in science fiction. If you found this exploration of AI robotics enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge technology and innovation. Stay informed and engaged as we continue to uncover the latest advancements and their impact on our world. Thank you again for watching. Here's to embracing the future of AI and robotics. Until next time, stay curious and inspired.